Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to remove parental controls on Android phone. So let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store, and from here, you want to click your profile picture at the top right corner, then click Settings. Now click on Family, then Parental Controls. And as you can see, it is already disabled for me. However, if it is enabled for you and you wish to disable it, it will ask you for a PIN. And if you do not have access to that PIN or you simply forgot about it, I will show you how to remove it without the PIN. First, head over to your phone's settings. Once you're here, scroll down and look for apps. Then click See All Apps. Here, you're gonna want to look for the Google Play Store, or you can simply search for it using the search feature. Once you're here, click Storage and Cache, then click Clear Storage and hit Delete. Now after doing that, launch Google Play Store again, and you should see that the parental controls have been disabled. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.